Going on, guys? Ryan from Car Audio Inc. Just finished an install on a 2008 Honda CR-V. Let's take a look at what we did. Put a single din KMM BT 322U. This car did not have Bluetooth. Up here you can see the Bluetooth camera. This is not my wiring, but of course my wiring, no wires showing, of course. Everything is heat shrinked and soldered, and we spent some time making the dash kit look nice, like filling in the holes in the back so you don't lose anything. This customer has a speaker that's blown, but we were not told to fix it. But yeah, so now he's got Bluetooth, much better sound. As you can see, this car is equipped with steering wheel controls. As you can see, volume up, volume down, channel up, channel down, and mode. So everything works and is integrated. Pretty basic install, but you get that special extra touch. Car Audio Inc. But yeah, nice successful install. If you liked what you saw, hit us up at caraudioinc.com.